This is the elevator at Fizzy and Fair in downtown Jacksonville, Florida. This is originally a general and it was modernized with Mabius move. By a traveler, that's what I thought. 3, that fan's annoying. Can't open the cabinet that turned off. It might just be keys anyway. Here we go. Not sure what variant of general this was originally. It might have been JL. Certificate, basic cab, the same cab that Traveler did at 100 North Laura. This mini pot lighting. That one's like missing. You can see the top of the ceiling. We're making 1. So it's kind of dingy, it's kind of gross. Floor's kind of, pan's kind of dirty too. There's also a crummy little wheelchair left right there. Wasn't that going to be